Okay, so what I have going on here is a video project here in Kdenlive, and all of the graphics I've made inside Figma here. I've made them at 1920 by 1080 in a frame that exports without the background, so I just have 1920 by 1080 PNGs with a transparent background. That way I can bring them right into my project, which is a 1080p project. Also, not using any footage here. I'm just using the transform effect in Kdenlive to pan and zoom, kind of giving a Ken Burns effect to these images here that just transition from one back to the other. That gives enough time for the graphics to come up and animate. So I've got a few PNGs in here. I've got this lower third, which is the logo and the headline with their phone number. I've got this $100 off that slides in here. And then I've got the lifetime warranty logo icon graphic that fades in. And altogether we have this. So what's really cool about doing graphics for videos in Figma this way is that these files, I'm able to update them basically in real time, much like you would do if you were jumping back and forth between like Premiere and After Effects. So if I wanted to say this $1,000 here, which I could change pretty quickly here just by making it, let's make it 500. And I've added an auto layout inside this, so it makes it very easy and quick to update text and keep the layout the same. So then I can just export this frame. So I'll show you here. I have a folder with all the video assets in here, and I'm going to call this, I'll just say frame 2A, so I can show you how I can replace it here. Back in Kdenlive, I've got the $1,000 off graphic here just as a video layer. And I could say, you know what, let's replace this $1,000 with the new one. I can just right click, replace, and I'm going to find the new file with the A at the end of it. There it is. And you'll see that it replaces it right inside my project here as well, which is great. I'll plan on having more videos coming out for Kdenlive as a free alternative to something like Premiere. I definitely don't think it's as powerful as DaVinci Resolve, but it is open source and it's cross-platform, so it can work on any operating system. Most of the sort of pre-built effects and plugins are similar to what I was used to using with Vegas Pro, and coming from Vegas Pro, this timeline is actually very, very nice to use. And Kdenlive is actually what I used to edit this video that I'm making right now. So check it out and look for more to come. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.